equivalent norm in functional analysis, which is very important topic in functional analysis. Okay, so we will start equivalent norm. I will tell you about equivalent norm. Suppose we have any vector space X. Suppose we have any vector space X, and X belongs to X. Suppose any element from X. Okay, and we take any positive integer a comma b. There are two positive integer. Okay, okay. Now if there are two norms on X and this, okay, then both are said to be equivalent if a norm 1 norm 2 is less than equal to norm x2. Okay, or norm of x2. Okay, and it is a so these are the conditions. Okay, these are the condition. This is the condition of equivalent norm. Okay, if any one condition satisfied, then we can say that both norms are equivalent. Okay, so I will add the definition of the norm. Let any two norm R2 norm on a vector space X. Okay, then norm 1 is said to be equivalent to norm 2 if there are two positive numbers. Okay, a and b. Okay, a and b, and take any and for any x belongs to x. Okay, x belongs to x, if a x less than equal to norm x2, okay, less than b, okay, norm 2, or a norm 2 less than norm 1 b, and norm here we take norm 2, so here we take norm 1. Okay, and it is 2. So okay, if one of the condition hold, if one of them condition hold, then we can say that norm 1 is said to be equivalent to norm 2. Okay, so this is the condition. If one of them condition satisfied, okay, then we can say that norm 1 is said to be equivalent to norm 2. Okay, so now I will tell you some remarks. Okay, remarks. Okay, so remark number 1: if the vector space, okay, remark number 1: if the vector space is finite dimensional, then all the norm are equivalent. Okay, are equivalent if the vector space is finite dimensional. If the vector space is finite dimensional, then all the norm are equivalent. Okay, if the space is infinite dimensional, then if the space is infinite dimensional, then all the norms are not equivalent. Okay, if the vector space is finite dimensional, then all the norm are equivalent. If we have any finite dimensional vector space, then all the norm are equivalent. If we have any infinite dimensional vector space, then all the norm are not equivalent. Example, if we take any vector space x is equal to Rn, because it is finite dimensional, because x equal to Rn is finite dimensional, so all the norm on Rn are equivalent. Okay, so all the norm on Rn are equivalent. Okay, so this is the conditions. Okay, and these are the examples of the norm space. After it, I will tell you one other notes remarks. I will tell you already. Equivalent norm remark is that remark number 2. Okay, here I am writing. Okay, okay, you can write note number 2. Note number equivalent norm define the same topology. Okay, define the same topology. I will prove in the next lecture. Okay, and also we will talk about some examples of the equivalent norm in the next lecture. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you, and please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so we will meet in new lecture. Also we will discuss in the new lecture about some examples of the equivalent norm. Okay, so thank you.